It is data. Use it to create systems that outsmart your weaknesses. Chapter 3. The discipline of inner combat. Combat inside the soul is not a single heroic moment. It is a relentless ritual. Train daily. Guard your mental space like you guard a fortress. Build routines that sharpen focus. Morning discipline, deliberate practice, cold exposure to reset the nervous system, digital fasts to silence noise. These steps are not glamorous, but they compound. When an impulse to retreat arises, treat it like a signal from a defective sensor. Test it. Delay it. Replace it with a calibrated action. The superhero in me speaks in protocols. When fear arrives, breathe twice, name it, commit to one small step forward. Momentum is a force multiplier. Small victories stack until the silent chambers are rewired into a control center for decisive action.